Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel, Mex USA Walks. Now, today what I'm doing, the 5th Street from Columbia Heights, Clark Street, or Clark Kent, in this case, alias Superman. Now, let me show you where I am, guys, before we go hunting. This is Clark Street, guys, Clark Street. This is the 5th Street in the series of the Columbia Heights. Okay, guys, now you see where we are? We start the journey now. Clark Street. Heading eastbound. Dude. Guys, check it out, man. See, that's cool stuff, man. See? Wow. It's almost like a castle type. Check out the seal of the lines, guys. See? Well, man, they're fading. They're fading, man. Coming up at Clark Kent Street, Willow Street, heading eastbound. Clark Kent Street, Willow Street. See, that must be a famous hotel or something. But I don't see no name. I don't see no name. Check this out, guys. See? See? It's already broken. Yes, again, nature does its thing, man. You see that? They look like they have like a face, see? A face and a face of a nomad or something. So, coming up at Clark Street, Hick Street, heading eastbound. Spear. Check out the balcony, man. Cool. Up there. And this is where Clark Kent lives, guys. See? Only because he put Clark. He didn't want to put Kent. He didn't want to try and add any attention. Clark Kent Street. I think he lives in the penthouse in here. Check it out. See? This is what I'm talking about. Stuff like this. That's really cool, man.
I'll start. I'm just slowly do it.
Check it out, see? You got like this bird here, bird. And that's like a lion. Bird, lion, nice. This is what I'm looking for. Oh, check it out, man. 2 Roman columns, man, sweet. And look, more here. See, this is what I'm talking about, man. Check it out, guys. Full spectrum. It says R.A. Cohen. Nice. And there's another one here. See? It's a balcony up there. Nice. Sorry, guys, she went off again. So, and mostly on the other side, it's just mostly businesses. Regular businesses. And check it out. We got the Clark Street subway 2 and 3. Now, nice to know. So we keep going and keep searching. This is Sushi Lin. Coming up at Clark Street. And this is Henry Street. Heading eastbound. And that is the Pizza building back there. Penny Bridge store. And just like the other street, guys, this one's gonna end up at Catman Plaza back there. This is the Iron Maiden Chef House, British cuisine. And I like these outward balconies, man. Nice. Oh, check it out, man. That's my other flag up there, flying high. Another one. Coming up at Clark Street, Monroe Place. I'll do Monroe Place some other time, guys. Right now we gotta stick to the agenda at hand. And this is Monroe Place, which will be done another day. And check it out, guys. You have a bridge up there for these buildings to connect to each other. So this building here is on that side of the street, and this building here is on this side. And they have a bridge, so the I guess only the people who live there, they can cross without having to come down here. And the clearance is 14 feet 6 inches. You see, guys, we're coming to Catman Plaza again. Again, not all trees are gonna make it this far, guys. Coming up at, let me see, where's coming up at Clark Street, Catman Plaza. Now heading westbound. Again, guys, let me show you the part back there. So this is part of Catman. See, all the way down there, all the way. See, all the way down there. So that's Catman Street back there. I do not know what the name of the park. Yeah, Catman Plaza Park. And now we head westbound again. And again, this is the bridge for the people who live up there can just cross over. Check it out, guys. That looks like the Swiss flag up there. Again, this place is really serene, guys. Coming up at Clark Kent Street, Monroe Place. And again, there she is, my other flag, flying high.
Showed up. I just showed up.
Again, the Iron Maiden Chef House, British cuisine, metal cuisine. And up ahead you see the liquor store, Hotel St. George. And also you got the Michaeltown Wines and Spirits. Coming up at Clark Street, Henry Street, heading westbound. And that's a diner named Clark's after the street. right next to Sushi Lin. Sushi Gallery. And see, this is the subway. Clark Street subway station 2 and 3. Good to know. I didn't know that. Man, it is hot, and I love heat waves, man. Oh, check it out, guys. See another one. See the structure? That's old, man. That's really old. See? Roman columns right here, guys. The Roman columns right here. Check out the up there. They look like birds, eagles. Spear. Coming up at Clark Kent Street, Hicks Street. Heading westbound. Again, guys, another building where Clark Kent lives in the penthouse. So again, guys, this is the 5th Street. And this is some sort of a... Oh, check it out. This is the watermark at Brooklyn Heights. Eland Collection. So this is the watermark. Hey. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it makes it cool down. Coming up at Clark Kent Street, Willow Street. Heading westbound. So far, guys, it's been really cool, man. Again, I like this area. It's really, the thing is, it's really quiet, guys. For spring and summer, I would have thought that besides having the promenade in the backyard back there, you figure you see a lot of people, but there's very few heads around here, guys. Very few people. So, you know, so that's what I thought, because you have the promenade, you have a lot of people coming in here. You know, they gather a lot of people, but it's the opposite. I don't see a lot of people in here. It's really quiet, which is really cool. Really nice, quiet, serene, tranquil. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. The end of the ride, and I will see you guys somewhere in time. Clark Kent Street, Columbia Heights, and I'll see you somewhere in time.